Hello, year one and grown-ups. It's Miss Osler here for another maths lesson. We are going to get stuck in straight away with some number formation. So we've got a new number to share with you today. Let's share the screen and see what it is. Oh, I wonder, can you guess? It's a number 2. Oh, so I've got my funky finger and I'm going to trace in the air first of all. So half a heart will never do. Slide to the right, that makes a 2. Fantastic. Grab your pencils and a piece of paper and see if you can write a lovely line of number 2s for us. You can pause this video whilst you give it a go. Well done. I see you got some lovely 2s, I bet. Yeah, fantastic. Right, let's have a look. It's our fluency task for today, and we're going to be looking at counting up to 50 this week and then within 50 as well. So this one, we're going to jump up on our feet. We're going to click on our little YouTube link that I've left in Class Dojo, and this song is going to take us through counting up to 50 whilst getting really active. And if you're feeling brave, it takes you all the way backwards again as well, from 50 to 1. So give it a go. I hope you have fun. Enjoy it. Pause the video whilst you give it a go. Fantastic. Well done. Are we all out of breath now? Brilliant. Right, on to our words of the week now. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to be doing this week. I'm going to see if you can chat to the person next to you whilst we're going through these. See if you can guess what our subject, our topic might be for maths this week. Let's have a look at some of these words. So this one, we've got oin, coin. Oh, that's a big clue. But this one, equal. Now that means the same, doesn't it? We used equal when we were looking at our halves and quarters a couple of weeks ago and equal parts. So equal, pence. That's another big clue. Pound. Well done. Value and note. Oh, there's our split O, isn't it? Note. Oh, now have a chat, see if you can guess what our focus is this week. You can pause the video whilst you do that. Oh, you back again? Well done. Look, it is money. We are going to be looking at money all of this week and the different types of money that we use and paying for things for money and counting money, all about money. Now, on this screen, you can see with lots of different ways that we pay for things. So we might use some notes, the kind of paper money. And we're going to be looking at that a little bit later this week. You might use, or your grown-ups might use credit cards or debit cards, and they use a machine. We also nowadays, because technology is so fancy, you can also pay using your phone, which is really clever, isn't it? Didn't do that when I was little. But what we're going to be looking at today is coins. There we go, coins. Now, hopefully your grown-ups have managed to find some coins over the weekend ready for your lesson so that you can have a little play around. If they haven't, because I haven't got many coins, I raided my purse and that is all I had. I haven't got many coins at the moment, but I raided my son's playroom. Oh, can you hear it? And I found lots of play money, so I'm going to be looking at those coins. Right, let's have a look at our next slide. Oh, we've got a little group of piggies, piggy banks. You might have a piggy bank at home that you pop your money in when you're given pocket money, maybe, or treat money. I don't know. Right, we're going to click on our pigs and see what's hiding behind each piggy. And then we're going to pause the video and have a chat with the person next to you about whether we can figure out what each coin is worth, what the value is. We've got a row down here at the bottom. Can you see? We're going to try and match those boxes to the coins behind the pigs. Let's have a look first of all, what's behind them. Oh, if you've got some coins in front of you, see if you can find one of those. It's a really small, reddy brown one. I've got one there. Have I got a real one? No, I haven't. I haven't got a real one. I've only got a pretend one. Let's have a look at the next pig. Oink, oink. It's slightly bigger, but it's the same colour, isn't it? So I've got a pretend one of those. Oh, I have got a real one of those. It's a really shiny one. Can you see that? Really shiny. It's like a little baby coin and a grown-up coin. Yeah. It's We've got two kind of reddy brown ones. Have we got any more? Oh, that one's a little silver one. Again, I've only got a play one, a pretend one of those, a little silver one. Let's have a look behind the next pig. Oink, oink. Oh, a slightly bigger silver one. See if you've got one of those in front of you. Oh, look, again, it's like a little baby and a grown-up. Baby version and a grown-up version, isn't it? See? I wonder whether that makes any difference to what their value is, what each coin represents. Oh, look at this. Have I got one of those? Oh, I've got a real one of those. Look, it's a funny shape, isn't it? It's not round like the others. Can we see? If you've got one in front of you, you could try and trace the number of sides. If not, let's have a look if I've got one here. Let's have a look. Can we count how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-sided shape. Oh, what's that called? Can you remember? It's a heptagon. So we've got a seven-sided shape. Let's have a look. What's behind the next one? Oink, oink. It's a bigger one. Again, it's kind of a bigger version, isn't it? So that was our little seven-sided shape. Done it again. And our bigger one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is 7 sides again. Oh, I wonder whether that makes a difference as to how much they're worth. Let's look at this one. Ah, now that's an interesting coin. Have you got one of those in front of you? I haven't got a real one of those, sadly. And my play money, and this will tell the grown-ups how old my children are, my play money that we had is the old version of this. So it doesn't have the silver middle and it's a slightly different shape. So we're just going to pretend that's got a silver middle. There we go. That's not quite a circle. If you've got one in front of you, you might be able to feel the edges and see if you can count how many edges. You could maybe tell me on your class dojo what sort of shape that is. So we've got a small one. Oh, and what's this one? Oh, I've shown you the coin before I've oinked the piggy. Oink, oink. There we go. Whoopsie. Oh, look. There we go. So I haven't got a real one of these either, sadly. It's got a silver middle and then a kind of goldy bit around the outside, just like that other one. So these are similar as well. They're almost like a baby version and a grown-up version. Right, pause the video there and see if you can chat with the person next to you and see if you've got any thoughts as to what each coin is worth. Which of these boxes goes with which coin? For example, look, I'll give you the first one. This first one is a 1 penny coin, 1 pence piece or 1 pence coin. Right, there you go. Pause the video, have a chat and think about what sort of value, which box goes with which coin, and we'll come back for the answers. Oh, I hope you had a good old chat about those, managed to kind of play with the coins in front of you. Should we have a look at what they are? Right, so we've got 1 penny here, haven't we? So that was the baby brown one, baby brown, brownie ready one. And what do you think the kind of grown-up brownie ready one is? It's 2 pence. So I'm going to move that over here. Well done. Then we've got our silver, round silver ones, haven't we? Kind of got a baby version and a grown-up version. So our little one, little silver one, is 5 pence. 5p is how we can write it, or 5 pence. And our slightly bigger version, our grown-up version, is 10 pence or 10p. Oh, onto those funny-sided ones. There we go. Again, we kind of had a baby version and a grown-up version, didn't we? So our baby version is 20p, and our bigger version is, you guessed it, 50p. You might have got that one right. Well done if you did. And then we've got these other two. Again, a baby version and a grown-up version. Out of these two values that we've got left, these two boxes, which one do you think goes with which coin? Yeah, following a similar kind of rule, we've got a £1 coin is the smaller one and the £2 coin is the bigger one. Well done. Right. Oh, Silly Miss O. I spilt my change everywhere. All my coins from my purse has gone everywhere, and I think I probably need some help sorting them out. Now, there might be lots of different ways we can sort our coins. So you can pause the video and have a chat and have a go yourselves, and then come back and we'll try and find one way that we could sort our coins. So pause the video. Or did you have fun playing with all your coins and trying to sort them out? You might have just looked at them on the screen. Right. I think the one way I'm going to sort them out, there might be lots of different ways. So you might have done it differently, and that's fine because we're going to explore this in a bit with our challenges. But I'm going to sort mine out by colour. So look, I'm going to see if I can put all my browny red ones over in one group. Here we go. We go. I've sorted those. Have I got any more? Yeah, one more. And then what have I got left here? I'm going to sort all the others into silver ones. So I'm going to move all these over here into silver. And then see what we're left with. So all the silver ones, because this might help me count them up. I don't know. Count how much money I've actually got. There we go. And then that leaves me with these. Do you know what? I could put those in a group, couldn't I? Because they're kind of silver and gold. Here we go. There we go. I've sorted my change, my coins, into 3 groups. You might have done it another way. Now let's see if there are any other ways. This is going to take us on very nicely to our challenges for today. So here we go, today's challenges. So just as we did on the last slide, if you've got some coins in front of you, can you try and sort them into groups? How many different ways could you group them? Is there another way to the way that we've just done? If you want, you could find a fun way of doing this. Look, you could use a muffin tray. If you've got a muffin tray, it's got all these holes in, and you could use a different hole for a different coin. Pretend you're in a bank or something. I might have given you a clue as to one way that you could have sorted your coins. Or you never know, you might have a pretend cash till, and then you could really pretend that you're in a bank. Sort your coins into your cash till. Take some photos to show us, to upload onto Class Dojo, on how many different ways you could sort coins. Now, level 2, how about whatever coins you've got in front of you, you could try drawing around them onto a piece of paper and seeing what shape you're left with, looking at the different sizes and the different shapes. Maybe you could go back to our piggy bank slide and you could try and match your coins that you've drawn round with some labels with their value. Can you label them with the value of each coin? And if you're feeling really clever, you could try and sort your coins into value order. Like last week, we did our measurements into height order, didn't we? From shortest to tallest, or length from shortest to longest. You could do it in value order. So one that's maybe worth the least to one that's maybe worth the most. And then level 3, we've just got some reasoning rabbit ideas for you, which again will be on a separate piece of a separate document that you can download off Class Dojo, just to start having a think about those problems with your reasoning rabbit ears. Fantastic. So have some fun playing with money today, and we shall see you again tomorrow. Bye. Let me stop the share. There we go. Bye-bye. See you soon.